Hello, my name is Sergey Vashchenko and this is Mastering Magento 2, the video course by Pact Publishing. I was working in Magento team for more than 4 years in development of both Magento 1 and Magento 2 frameworks. For several years, I was sharing my knowledge and experience during various Magento events and meetups. Since the very first release of Magento 2 framework, I was working on Magento 2 websites and extensions. I actively share useful information in Twitter, GitHub and Stack Overflow. However, the most interesting and valuable can be found on my website. All my contacts can be found there as well. This course starts from creating a basic Magento 2 module from scratch, and during the course, the module will be filled with various components, starting from install upgrade scripts, models, blocks and controllers, up to console commands, web API and bunch of possible configuration files. Individual section will be dedicated to UI components library, where we'll learn how to create grids and forms and even will customize checkout interface. Finally, we'll review Magento 2 customization capabilities, such as dependency injection, observers and plugins, layout and JavaScript configuration. At the end of this course, you should be able to know everything you need to start building your Magento 2 extension. In this course, I don't assume any previous experience with Magento framework, but you do need knowledge of PHP and basic knowledge of MySQL and JavaScript to be able to get the most value of this course. Throughout your learning experience on this course, feel free to ping me on Twitter with questions or comments. I also actively answering questions on Magento Stack Exchange.